Hey guys, we're just in this place in Johor in Korat. It's called Suki Teenoi. We passed it a few times, so we said we'll check it out this time and we'll see what the food's like.
You want to look? One. Oh, okay, one.
Well, we've got the food cooking. We just got another load brought out to us. Got some French fries. Hey guys, we finished our meal. It was absolutely very filling. You can order as much as you want within a 2-hour period. You have to make sure you eat it all. The bill came to 552 baht. Can't work that out in my head at the moment because my stomach's nice and full, and I would say 552 baht will be probably about $16 US for 2 people, $8 a person, and Australian probably around $30, I'd say. Maybe not even that, probably $25 for 2 people, Aussie. And we're going to go for a walk now to Mr. DIY, see if we can pick up some bargains. And hope you found this video interesting, and please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and we'll see you all soon. Bye bye, ciao.